y'all, Stuck on You Magnet Fishing here. Today we are joined by Clay from the Rusty Magnets, Dave from Sawdust City, and then we have Eddie over here from Sawdust City.
Alright.
Eddie the anchor.
Let's get going, see what we can find, and do some double dipping.
Eddie.
Look at all that. I just said, look at all that.
It's still caked with mud.
Yeah.
Caltrop!
And she's got a caltrop.
I just heard the C word.
It's the magnificent C word. I got it.
Oh, you got it?
I got
oh,
it.
That's a big boy.
Yep.
Holy smoke.
Oh my gosh.
That's a big one.
That's the first one we saw like that.
Nice.
That's going to take some cleaning.
Yeah, that's packed full.
But,
That is awesome.
That's definitely a tail drop.
Nice find, you guys. Stuck on You.
Thanks.
Stuck on You. Found a call trip. That is awesome. So good find, you guys.
We're going to set this aside so it doesn't get lost. Right in my pocket.
Back your way. We might have to have Eddie pull up too, though. This feels like it's full. We got tons of bubbles underneath.
Oh, that's not good when you see gloves come up.
Yeah.
That?
Alright, we're working on something right on
Is that saw blade?
Eddie here. We are working it back and forth. We want to see what he's got on here right now.
Sorry.
Is that a horseshoe? No. No, it's a logging tool turner and
Some saw blade.
Sawdust City saw blade.
I hate when he does that.
That is one of those
Sawdust City saw blades. They can have
Oh,
one.
part of a log dog. The
And
Wow.
Stuck on You Magnet Fishing can have one.
Awesome.
Courtesy
Oh.
of Sawdust
you.
City Magnets.
So these are the
that's the spike for the log dog.
Yes.
Or
Okay.
like the little arm.
The roller. Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah.
Yes.
Nice.
Hopefully I can find one for us. Now that I gave them all away.
Oh, I'm sure you will.
Yeah.
And Matt missed it.
No, I didn't.
No, yes, you did. Because I just started recording.
Oh, well then I blame the GoPro.
What?
There's numbers on it.
There goes the shirt.
Look at that.
Wow.
You know how many of them we've thrown away?
What?
These things
Yeah.
that I've already scrapped.
I'm sure they're probably worth something
Crap over
too.
Oshkosh Manufacturing, MFG,
And
Yeah.
Oshkosh, Wisconsin.
Awesome.
worth more than their weight in
Oh,
scrap.
That's pretty cool.
man. What?
What does that say on there,
It
Clay?
says Oshkosh Manufacturing, Oshkosh, Wisconsin. We gotta get the rest of this off to see what else it says on there.
Awesome.
Woo! Oh boy. There's my tree. It's just trying to get all of this off.
What?
Oh, nothing. I'm just saying it's just trying to get all of this off. No. but I did get one of those.
Nice.
Yeah. Drill bits. Oh. All right, honey.
Oh, okay. You hear that, Matt?
Cannonballs too? And then yeah, basically it's just going right back to her.
Check that out.
Wow.
Watch your fingers on there.
Gonna pull that off.
Yeah. Dude, you got a little bit of everything in here. Holy cow. And yeah, believe it or not, that was one pull, basically.
Yeah. And the thing is I keep feeling shit in that same area.
Yeah. Wow, good job. That is awesome. Man, back at it.
Who are you pointing that at?
What?
Those are the ones that the clock goes.
We are definitely working on something big right there. And it just stuck to the dock.
Nice. Clay's got a caltrope.
Nice.
Is that a star one?
Oh, that's a starter, isn't it?
Yeah. Come on. Battery, I know you're not pushing guy.
Oh yeah.
Sweet.
Oh, yeah, battery's dead. That's a star one.
No. That's
Oh,
it. Yeah.
No, this is the other one. I showed you this one.
I have these batteries here.
Alright guys, check it out. We got a culture. That's what I like to see.
What did you have on there, Clay?
We found a culture.
I do shit like that too.
That's how I scratch my throat.
Yeah. I make weird noises like that too.
See, I'll just go. Yeah, that duck would think everything over here is funny. I'm just curious too as to what they're working on yet.
What?
I said I'm just curious too what they're working on yet.
What?
Look at it. Wow, look at that oil come up there.
Yeah, it's just wow.
You're on it too, aren't you? I saw your neck snap there. Zipper technique. And that's like there's a whole background. caster wheel. That's a little caster. I wonder if that's a cart, dude. Then
That's what I said.
that's what I'm wondering.
Yeah, it's got some weight to it. Okay. Oh, that's gonna be a lot. I wasn't even on it. Nope, I'm not. Let's see. You guys are gonna get me running. 42-year-old man running in the cold.
It's a loader for a motor, isn't it? I have no clue actually what that is. Whoa.
Whoa. What in the world is this thing? Pull the magnet off quick.
Check it for.
Oh. Pull the magnet off twice quick. What kind of magnet is this? Clay?
Kratos.
Kratos, is anybody in the market for a good magnet? Check the link below, and I'll leave it on there.
You got discount code?
Wow.
Dave?
No, you gotta use Rusty Magnet's discount code right now till I get mine. What in the world is this thing? This has got some kind of lever that goes back and forth.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Switches. Yep.
Back and forth that way. Alright, I'm gonna give this thing a rinse. Over here. In case I drop it.
Looks like that might be what some of the dried oil is coming off of.
Alright. Definitely looks like part of the machine. Got a lever here. Goes back and forth. Works this thing on the other side. And it was bolted down to something. But I think there's more of it down there, so we're going to keep working at this thing and see what else we come up with.
Alright guys, cleaning my magnet off after I looked to go see what Dave's got. And that's a caltrop. That's the star one. See if I can show you like that. I mean, I'll toss it over after I clean the caltrop off.
Oh, Matt got a caltrop.
Caltrop. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, that's the star one you were talking about.
That's what we should do, Dave. Hey, get it on there. If you hold it, I think you actually suck it straight up.
Oh, someone's got to relax so I can get the rope.
So there we go. The ones with the points. The ones with the points, these ones are like this.
back at it again.
Look at the size of that blade. Dave, hold that up real quick.
It looks in pretty decent shape
is.
too.
It is.
Check that out. That is absolutely awesome.
I see you. See what else is on here.
Wow.
Oh, I shouldn't have did that. Should have checked that for another one of these.
That is,
Sweet.
Look at the size of this.
yeah,
Yeah.
that is nuts. That is freaking nuts.
Dave, is that going?
Could have.
That bolt would ran through there.
Wow, a lot of editing to do here.
That is awesome.
I just knew it had some weight and it clicked on something, but
What in the?
Is that cleaner?
no way.
Is that really cleaner?
Is it?
Is that cleaner?
Ah. I mean,
It is. That's
Nice.
a cleaner.
happy Halloween. It's muddy. That's
Wow.
freaking awesome.
No way.
Matt, what do you mean you're working on your Halloween costume?
I cleaver.
Oh my God. Look at that, it's a cleaver, guys. Woohoo!
Wow.
Nice job, Matt.
Thanks.
You gonna go as a Grim Reaper?
Oh, good idea.
No,
I like
he's
it.
gonna go as a chef. He went to culinary school.
Wow.
Well, he's.
That's not magnetic, Clay.
You got my rope tangled.
Okay.
We gotta try and get it up over here.
Actually,
Eddie?
that's cool. At least that's out of the way now.
Yeah, my
If there's one benefit to the whole
If
thing.
you can.
Can you grab that stick?
Oh, there's
Oh.
something.
Stuff on there.
Yeah. That's the biggest fish I ever saw.
We're gonna put this back in the water.
I caught a fish this big.
Now I know why everything was wrong.
You guys
Well, we
forget.
get this out of the way. What's under this?
Exactly. What's
Right?
underneath now?
It's moving.
I see lots of bubble.
Wow. It was just stuck. Oh, jeez.
No, you got to be kidding me.
Ah.
How did you catch it? Was there magnet wedge?
Yeah, it's just like that.
Wow.
Yeah, it was caught just like that.
Look at that. It's a fiberglass ladder. That magnet was wedged in the top of it. Dude.
Nice, Matt.
Perfect.
Got Keltra.
Yeah.
Fuck, that's a big ball.
All right, I'm recording now.
Oh, wow.
Another Keltra.
Awesome.
There's
Teeth
no.
missing.
Oh, man.
Look at the size of that guy. Look at that. No teeth. Oh, maybe 2, 3,
Still.
4. That's a good one.
That is a good one. Wow.
And a creepy crawler.
Crap.
Look at the size of that guy.
Holy cow. Oh, man. That's awesome.
Yeah, I love
Ouch.
finding those.
Imagine just stepping on that.
Oh, they hurt.
I
I
had
learned
to
not
have
to
been
look.
manufacturing them here, or this is where the civil soldiers rested.
I
At the factory.
Right there.
Yeah, Eddie's was a pretty decent size.
Yeah, it was. Drill bit.
Drill bits.
The little guy.
Yeah. That's neat though. That is awesome.
That's not the smallest. There is smaller ones.
Man. I do more running today.
Yeah, definitely.
Ah. Another star one. It's so pretty.
Hold it off for this.
Good job, honey. That's awesome.
That one looks.
Yeah. Wow. Smaller, but yeah, it's it's got some weight. One little toss. Beautiful. Clean that off. Another one for Dave and Eddie's collection. Let's see what else. I don't know what that is. And that's what confused me.
Yeah. Dave, is that a honing bit?
It's got some weight, but
I have no idea.
that's why I didn't
Almost
know.
looks like it went into something and spun.
I mean, it's heavy. I like heavy.
I threw it up over there.
What's up? Oh yeah.
Oh, the jack style.
Yeah.
Nice, you guys.
See how much more battery I got. 70%. Okay.
That's a big one. That's the big spike one.
Yeah. It's like the one I found yesterday.
Nice.
Look at the size of this, dude.
Oh man.
And a hammer.
Wow.
That's freaking crazy.
Right?
Hammer too.
This in the head.
Good fun.
Very nice. I have no idea what we're doing. Oh. My wife is going to be so proud. Hey, Lindsay! Dave get. Sweet!
Oh,
That's awesome!
That's a moving caltrop.
He was my friend. It stuck right to my coat.
Sorry about that.
Time to go for a swim, dude.
He told me to throw it at you. I said, should I throw it at him? He said, yeah.
There you go.
And he's off.
A picaroon.
But I want one else was down
What's all the commotion down here? Let me guess. Anchor Eddie got that.
Of course. Yeah.
Wow.
The anchor killing it today. I don't know what else was on there, but I
There's
dropped
gonna be a
it.
couple tail props on there too.
No, I was hoping it was, but I just dropped something big back in the water.
Whew.
No clue what that is.
Huh.
That's pretty cool.
Right? Oh.
You see that down there?
Oh, that's a nice one. That's a pretty one.
Yeah, that's gotta get washed out.
Wow. How many of those did you get today?
These?
Yeah.
It's the first one.
Oh.
That's my first one ever.
Huh. Yeah. It clicked. And I was happy.
Big one, little one? Little guy. Is it? Little star. Nice. Hold on 1 second.
It's another one of those. Lindsay's favorite.
It's been a while since I heard the sea word.
Oh, I lied. I got 2 caltrops.
Oh, we got some kind of a wheel. I'm just trying to see what is all on here.
Check out what we found. Got Matt's meat cleaver, Ollie's caltrops, not one, but 2 wagons, and a load of buckets full. Got Matt there, Eddie the anchor, and Dave from
Sawdust City Magnets.
and you got Clay.
Hi, you guys know where we're from. The Rusty Magnets.
Big play.
Have a good day, y'all. Give us a thumbs up, a like, subscribe, and see you on the next one.